Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the command prompt CMD is not working or not opening problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. If you have command prompt running, then you just need to end task it, and after that just to close it off the task manager and go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes and check if the problem solved or not. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution, you just need to right click on the desktop and select new and select a shortcut. In type the location of the item, you just need to type cmd.exe and select next. In here, name of the file, you just need to type cmd and click on finish. Now you just need to right click on the cmd and select properties, select advanced option and check mark run as administrator and select ok, select apply and ok. Now you can open this cmd and check if the problem solved or not. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just need to open up a file explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, find a Windows folder, find SYS wow 64 folder, just double click on it. Now you just need to copy this file path over here on the top. Just need to right click on it and copy it. After copying the file path, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type edit. The system comes up, edit the system environment variables. Click on open it. Select environment variables over here. Under user variables for my username, you just need to select path and select edit. Select new and just paste the path we copied before. And after pasting it, click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.